Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. You see this particular threading twist hairstyle with Brazilian wool. We are going to discuss on how to do it, the beginner best way on how to do it, the practical video. What you need to do is get a Brazilian wool extension. This is one of the simplest and detailed tutorial on how to twist threading Brazilian hair. I normally say when you are starting when you are gripping your hair, all you need to do is to cross your hair, your extension with your hair, just the way I'm about to cross it in this video. This is the best way. You can see me doing it now. This is the best gripping method for beginner. When you are master gripping like this as a beginner, before you know it, you will become a pro. So after gripping it like this, you make sure you braid the hair from the beginning. Braiding it to make the hair look firm and tight before you start your twisting threading style. Now we are twisting the hair with the same Brazilian wool. The same ones I have used to braid it from the down is the same. I will take one or two strands of that extension, the one I will use to twist it. Mind you, we are not taking extra. You can see me removing two strands from the extension so that I'll be able to use that one to twist it. After removing the two strands of the extension, make sure you knot the tip with the two strands. Once you have done knotting the down of your hair, what you need to do is to start twisting your extension to the left down part of your hand. This twisting to the left down part of your hand will give you a quality result, guys. Twist it to the left part of your hand will give you a quality result. Twist it from the beginning to the end before you start wrapping your extra wool on it. This will help you to get a good result. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, share this video to get more beginners, and don't forget to give us a thumbnail, drop your comments, and let us know the next video you want us to drop, the next tutorial. Thanks you for always watching my video. Watch to the end. You see how I twisted it and I give you the desired look that I want with my hand. This is just me uh, twisting it and making it not too closer and not too scatter with my hand. This will give you exactly what you want. Thanks for always watching my video. See you in my next video.